Yes, ma'am.
So today is my first class, and as discussed in the last class, I will cover two topics. Okay, one is reservoir, and another is dam. So Jinbis already mentioned that reservoir, dam, and spillway. These three are in a same system. Okay, in a same river valley project system. So this reservoir and dam, these two are mainly connected with each other. So what is dam? Dam is a construction, physical construction that is constructed across a river to make a reservoir. So first of all, say in our eastern region, eastern India, um, which one is most important dams or river valley project?
হীরাকুদ ড্যাম।
সরি, শুনতে পারলাম না, তুমি কি বললে? Which one is?
হীরাকুদ ড্যাম।
Hirakud. Yes.
Ma'am, DVC project, Damodar Valley.
Damodar Valley project. Okay. Damodar Valley project is a river valley project, very important, and there are another dam that is Messanjor on Moirakhi River. Okay, so today we'll discuss first a brief discuss of Damodar Valley project. So Damodar Valley Corporation. Damodar Valley Corporation, most important river valley project in the eastern India. এখানে কি হচ্ছে? Why Indian government starts this project? As we know, Damodar River is one of the important river in Bengal, West Bengal, and for this river, the Bardwan district is too much alluvial, fertile alluvial soil is there, as well as this river is known as. আচ্ছা, দেখা যাচ্ছে তো স্লাইড? এখন আমি সেকেন্ড স্লাইডে আছি। স্লাইড কি চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে?
না ম্যাম, ফার্স্টেরটাই আছে। হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
ওকে, এবার দেখা যাচ্ছে। এটা ফুল স্লাইড করলে কেন দেখা যাচ্ছে না বুঝতে পারছি না। তো যাই হোক।
Ma'am, can you record the class?
Okay. Wait. Okay. ঠিক আছে, এটা ফুল স্লাইড করলে কিছু একটা সমস্যা হচ্ছে, যার জন্য দেখা যাচ্ছে না। Okay, so as well as Damodar River is known as Shoro of Bengal or Dukhen Nodi. So in between 1730 to 1943, there was a number of devastating floods. So at that time, Maharaja of Bardwan and some other important peoples, they apply to the Indian government to take some steps for this. So at that time, Indian government and our water resources department, they consult with Tennessee River Valley Project Authority from USA, and they came from there and they investigate the total land, total topographical land of West Bengal and Bihar. Nowadays, the part is divided into Bihar and Jharkhand, and they proposed for a multi-purpose river valley project, and that project was named as Damodar River Valley Corporation. Okay. So, in this Damodar River Valley construction, there was 4 main dams. 4 main dams are Tilaya and Maithon in Borakar River, Panchet on Damodar River, and Konar on Konar River. So, these 4 dams were constructed in the Damodar River Valley project. Only one is on the Damodar River and others 3 are on Borakar and Konar River. And to control the water in the reservoir, control the uses of water, dam only creates a reservoir. Dam doesn't control its application of water. Okay. To control the reservoir water, barrage was constructed at Durgapur. So total River Valley project, Damodar River Valley project has 4 dams and 1 barrage. Another important River Valley project is Moirakhi River Valley project, that is Massanjot Dam, and water is controlled by Tilpara barrage. Massanjot Dam was constructed on Moirakhi River, and the water is controlled by Tilpara barrage. And DVC, there are 4 dams and barrages at Durgapur barrage. Now, DVC dams are capable of monitoring floods of 6.51 lakh cubic to 2.5 lakh cubic. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমরা এটা দেখছি, এটা কি, এটা মাইথনের যে ড্যাম পোরশন অ্যাক্রস দ্য রিভার, সেই ড্যাম পোরশন হচ্ছে এটা মাইথনের, and this is for Panchet, and this is দুর্গাপুর ব্যারেজ। তাহলে এই 3টে ইমেজ যদি আমরা কম্পেয়ার করি, তাহলে আমরা যেটা বলতে পারবো, দেখো এটা ড্যাম, এটাও ড্যাম, and this one is barrage. So in dam, the height is very high and it creates a huge amount of water height. But in case of dam, the height is very low and it's only divert the water with a specific route. ঠিক আছে, একটু ওয়েট করো। হ্যালো, দেখা যাচ্ছে? একটা ম্যাপ, মানে দুর্গাপুর ব্যারেজের যে স্যাটেলাইট ইমেজটা।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the end of Damodar Valley Corporation. So this is Durgapur barrage. So if we see, this is the barrage portion. Okay. There are number of gates. So this is Durgapur barrage, and here in this, just before the barrage, there is a canal. One is right side canal, another is left side canal. This is, and here also, look, this is another canal. ঠিক আছে, দুর্গাপুর ব্যারেজ রাইট ক্যানেল, and that one is this one left side canal. And using these two canal, water is provided in nearby irrigation land as well as industrial or municipal water supply. And now this is Damodar river, and these two are dams. This is Panchet river reservoir, sorry, Panchet reservoir above the, look, this is the reservoir portion. Panchet reservoir portion, and this is Maithon. So here the dam is constructed to make this reservoir. Okay, and here dam is constructed. This is mainly, this is spillway portion constructed, and this is total dam portion constructed to make this reservoir portion. ঠিক আছে, so water stored in the reservoir, and depending on the river flow, rainfall, etc., the reservoir authority will release water, and barrage authority will control or divert the water to the canal or to the river. ঠিক আছে, this is Konar. তাহলে এখান থেকে জল, পুরো এই এরিয়াটার জল আমাদের এখানে দুর্গাপুর ব্যারেজ দিয়ে কন্ট্রোল করা হচ্ছে। And this is another one, that is Massanjor Dam on Moyurakhi River catchment. This is Moyurakhi River. Okay. And Tilparata ekhane, Tilpara reservoir is there. So this is the basically, depending on the topography map, topographical area, reservoirs and dams are constructed, or as well as to control the reservoir water, we construct the barrage. ঠিক আছে, Now, what is dams and reservoir? এটা একটা মোটামুটি আইডিয়া পাওয়া গেছে। What is dam, what is reservoir, and what is barrage? So this is very confusing term between dam and barrage, and as well as that is very confusing in between dam and reservoir. Dam is a structural part, physical structural part, and reservoir is a water body, and barrage is a hydraulic structure. Dam is also a hydraulic structure, but purpose are different. The main purpose of dam to create a reservoir. A main purpose of a barrage is to control or divert the water from the reservoir. Okay, so dams are structures that are built on a river in order to retain water for one or more specific purpose. And reservoirs are formed behind a dam. Okay, a reservoir is a body of water that has been formed or modified by human activity for specific purposes in order to provide a reliable and controllable water resource. Okay, so reservoir itself is just a water body. Now, why we should build a dam or reservoir? বলো তো কি কি পয়েন্ট হতে পারে, মানে হোয়াট ইজ দ্য পারপাস অফ কনস্ট্রাকশন অফ আর ড্যাম এন্ড রিজার্ভার? আমাদের ড্যাম এবং রিজার্ভার বলতে সবার ফার্স্টে কি মাথায় আসে, যে কি কারণে আমরা ড্যাম আর রিজার্ভার আমরা তৈরি করব?
Control the water flow.
Control the water flow. Okay, next.
Ma'am, generate electricity.
Generate electricity, hydroelectric power. Next.
Irrigation.
কি?
Irrigation purpose.
Irrigation, water supply for irrigation purpose. Okay.
Groundwater recharge.
গ্রাউন্ড ওয়াটার রিচার্জ, ওকে, করতে পারি, ঠিক আছে। আর
flood control, ma'am.
flood control. Flood control is the main part to construct. Flood control and hydroelectric power generation, these two are main parts. Okay, next হচ্ছে কি water supply for industrial and domestic purpose as well as for irrigation purpose. Okay, these three are main. তারপর যেটা একজন বললো, যেটা গ্রাউন্ড ওয়াটার রিচার্জ করতে পারি, সেটাও করা যেতে পারে, দ্যাট ইজ পসিবল। নেক্সট হচ্ছে সরি, আমার নেট কানেকশন ডিসকানেক্ট হয়ে গেছিল, তো সেজন্য কতদূর তোমরা মাল্টিপারপাস, মানে সিঙ্গেল পারপাস আর মাল্টিপারপাস? ওকে, okay, so single purpose reservoir and multi-purpose reservoir, ঠিক আছে। Single purpose reservoir and multi-purpose reservoir. Single purpose when reservoir is constructed to serve only one purpose, then that is a single purpose. And multi-purpose to serve more than one purpose, then that is multi-purpose. Now, say Damodar Valley Corporation is a single purpose or a multi-purpose? Damodar Valley project টা কি? single purpose river valley project or multi-purpose river valley project? মাল্টিপারপাস। ঠিক আছে, অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমরা যতগুলি পারপাস ডিসকাস করলাম সবগুলোই সার্ভ করে। ঠিক আছে, নাও সে সাপোজ from a topo sheet or topographical map, we can say that if we construct a dam here, we can create head of water is high, but the surface area of the reservoir is not too much, so we are not able to create a huge amount of water storage. Then which one is possible? Hydroelectric power generation or supply water for irrigation?
Ma'am, please repeat your question.
Suppose in our topo sheet or in our from the topographical map, we can see that if we construct a dam across the river, we can create a head of water of the reservoir is high, but the surface area of the reservoir is not too much that we can create a huge amount of water storage. Okay.
Hydroelectric power generation.
Yes, hydroelectric. At that case, we are not able to serve more than one purpose. We can only create the hydroelectric power. So that is maybe a single purpose reservoir. And Damodar Valley Corporation or Damodar Valley Reserve Project or Moiraki River Project, that's a purpose serve more than one purpose. So these are multi-purpose reservoir. Next হচ্ছে investigation for reservoir planning. Investigation for reservoir planning. So what are the investigations to construct a reservoir, to make a dam? What are the investigations? So there are three types of investigation. One is engineering surveys, next is hydrological investigations, and third one is geological investigations. Okay, so three types of investigation required to construct a reservoir. One is engineering survey, next is hydrological investigations, and third one is geological investigations. Now, engineering survey. Engineering survey করলে আমরা মানে first is engineering survey is required, and from the engineering survey we will create a contour plan of the river basin. Contour, what is the contour line? Contour line কাকে বলে?
Ma'am, imaginary line joining points of same elevation.
Yes, imaginary line joining the same elevation, that is contour line. So first of all, we will create the topo sheet or topographical map or contour plan of the total river basin. Okay, so from the contour map, we can identify the position of the dam and the total, if depending on the dam height, how much area will be submerged or the surface area of the reservoir. So area elevation curve and storage elevation curve can be drawn from the contour plan, which help in fixing the maximum operating area elevation and volume elevation curves. So from the contour map, we'll create this type of graph that is in this direction, that is capacity of reservoir in hectometer, and this is the elevation height. So this red line is the capacity curve. So from that, if capacity is 10 into 10 to the power 4 hectare-meter, then elevation of the reservoir is 72 meter, near about 72 meter. Okay, so from that graph, we can identify this is one elevation versus capacity, another area versus elevation. Okay, and this is line for maximum pool level of the reservoir, normal pool level of the reservoir, and minimum pool level of the reservoir. So these terms we'll discuss later. Okay, so in this graph, we'll plot one is capacity versus elevation, another is area versus elevation. Then from the contour map, we'll calculate the area in between the contour line. Okay, suppose A1, A2, A3, like from A1 to AN, we'll calculate the area, surface area for successive contours. And this area can be easily determined with the help of a planimeter. ঠিক আছে, first of all, we'll survey the site, then we'll plot the contour lines in a paper, then from the using of planimeter, we can calculate the area for each contour line. Now, for a river basin, where we'll construct the reservoir, at the base point, at the base of the basin, the area will be minimum. Now, the elevation of the contour increases, the area under them also increases. Elevation যত বাড়ছে কন্টুরে, তার সাথে সাথে তার সারফেস এরিয়াও তত বাড়তে থাকবে। আচ্ছা, this is planimeter. Contour looks like this curve, and using the planimeter we can calculate the area of the contour line. Next হচ্ছে এটা হচ্ছে this is a hill area, then contour lines at the, suppose this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The height of the contour line is increasing, so this is a hill area. But if inside is low and outside is continuously high, then that is a depression land. So contour looks like this. Now this is a contour line of a dam, of a river basin. ঠিক আছে, প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ফিল্ডে আমরা যে কন্ট্রোল লাইন পাই, কন্ট্রোল ম্যাপ পাই, সো দিস দ্যাট কন্ট্রোল ম্যাপ লুকস লাইক দিস ওয়ান। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে এখানে আমার কি হচ্ছে দেখো, আমাদের এখানে কিরকম আমরা পাচ্ছি, এখানে হচ্ছে হাইয়েস্ট আমরা এই ম্যাপের মধ্যে দেখতে পাচ্ছি 1200, দেন 1100, দেন 1000, দেন 900, 800, 700, 600. Then here 400, 500, 600, 700, again 600. So this region is a hill region or a depression region. Say this region is a hill or a valley region.
Hill region.
This is a hill region because the contour line is continuously increasing. 700, 800, 900, 1100, 1200. So continuously increasing. That's why here the slope is here increasing. Also slope in this side also increasing. 400, 500, 600, 700, like this. So this portion is the lowest portion, or this is the river flow portion. Okay, this is the river flow portion. Now, if we want to construct a dam here, this is the 400-meter elevation line. This is 500-meter elevation line. This is 600-meter elevation line. This is 700-meter elevation line. Now, if we construct a dam here, ঠিক আছে? দেখো এখানে আমরা যে এই লাইনটা ড্র করলাম, ইফ উই কনস্ট্রাক্ট আ ড্যাম হিয়ার, ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমাদের রিজার্ভার এরিয়া কতটা আসবে, কতটা সারফেস এরিয়া আমরা এখান থেকে, সারফেস এরিয়াতে আমাদের এখানে ওয়াটার স্টোর হবে। এখানে দেখো, দিস ওয়ান ইজ 500. This contour line is for 500 meter and this is for 400 meters. So if the dam height is 400 meter, then the water will store only this portion, this yellow line. Okay, because this is the 400 contour line. So if we construct a dam height of 400, then it will only, this surface area will occupy. But if the height of dam is 500, then the surface area of the reservoir will be this one. It will follow to the 500 meter contour line. Okay, এই যে 500 মিটার এই যে কন্ট্রোল লাইনটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ, এই পুরো এরিয়াটাকে তখনও ওয়াটার অকুপাই করে নেবে যদি হাইট অফ ড্যাম ইজ 500 মিটার হয়। বাট ইফ height of dam is 600 meter, then you have to construct the dam through the এই 600 কন্ট্যুর থেকে এখানে 600 কন্ট্যুর পর্যন্ত তোমাকে কনস্ট্রাক্ট করতে হবে। তাহলে আমাদের if the water height is, if the dam height is 600 meter, then the surface area of the reservoir will cover this area, this total area. So total 600 meter contour line area. Okay. So engineering survey will first survey our river basin, river catchment area to prepare a contour map. Then from the contour line we will calculate cross surface area for each contour. From that we can easily calculate using some equation, trapezoidal formula or prismoidal formula, that very easy, using the cross sectional area and half of depth. We can calculate the volume of storage corresponding to defined contours. Okay. And this way we can calculate the total volume of the reservoir, volume of water of the reservoir, and the total volume of the reservoir and the position of the dam, যে কোন জায়গায় ড্যামটা কনস্ট্রাক্ট করলে আমার সবথেকে কম কনস্ট্রাকশনের মেটেরিয়াল লাগবে। If we will identify, suppose will construct a dam of height 600 meters. Now, look, we construct here. In this case, the 400 meter contour line is very narrow. So, if we want to construct a 400 meter depth dam, we can construct here. But the 500 or 600 meter contour lines is very wide here. Suppose in this case, we will first identify the area where the dam length will be minimum. If we make the dam length minimum, that will be more economical. Construction material will require less, time will require less. So from the contour map, we can easily identify that area. Okay, so in our engineering survey, we will calculate the total volume of water and dam length, its position, spillway position. Okay, so these three will be identified from our engineering survey. Next হচ্ছে hydrological investigation. So we'll create a huge amount of water storage. So first of all, water is required. If there is no source of water in the river, then creating a dam is useless. Construction of a dam, but there is no water flow, no rainfall is there, so that is useless. So some hydrological investigation is required. The main hydrological investigations will be on rainfall records, catchment characteristics, the spread of the catchment, climatic characteristics, etc. ঠিক আছে, the main river flow and rainfall above the catchment, the slope of the catchment, the climatic characteristics above the catchment, these all hydrological investigations are required. Okay, next হচ্ছে কি post flood condition এ hydrograph is required. Maybe it may be 50 years return period, or maybe 100 years return period, maybe 200 years return period. In case of dam construction, 100 years return period is the worst value of flood in 100 years return period is required. Then we will plot the hydrograph at the catchment area, hydrograph at the dam area. Okay, depending on that, we'll identify the depth required or surface area required to control our flood, and serve the required water supply for our industry, irrigation, and household activities. Okay, so these are hydrological investigations. Next হচ্ছে জিওলজিক্যাল ইনভেস্টিগেশনস। তাহলে জিওলজিক্যাল ইনভেস্টিগেশনস এর মধ্যে কি কি পড়বে? জিওলজিক্যাল ইনভেস্টিগেশনস is not so costly, but this is required for any civil engineering projects. Geological investigations is required. So in our geological investigations, we'll identify the groundwater table. If groundwater table is very, very low, then there will be a huge amount of seepage or deep percolation, so it will reduce the water level easily. So that is not required. So first of all, we'll identify groundwater table. Then we'll identify the soil at the river catchment area, reservoir area, soil at the reservoir area. Okay, then হচ্ছে in the base of the there will be a huge amount of water, so its load is very high. So formation of the bed rock below the reservoir, that also be considered, and the material used in the dam construction, its position must be near to the dam site. Okay, so these are the main geological investigation to construct a dam or a reservoir. Okay. So today up to this. Any question?